morning students. Welcome to English grammar class. So students, today we are going to discuss about the concept of prepositions. We also call them the position words. So students, what are the position words? Those words that tell us where a person is, a place is, an animal is and a thing is. So students, ऐसे words जो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जगह या फिर कोई एनिमल कहाँ पर है, जो शब्द हमें किसी भी चीज़ की पोजीशन बताते हैं उन्हें हम कहते हैं पोजीशन वर्ड्स। आपके सिलेबस में 3 पोजीशन वर्ड्स हैं। देयर आर 3 पोजीशन वर्ड्स इन योर सिलेबस। फर्स्ट इज इन, नेक्स्ट इज ऑन and the third is under. So students, come and let me show you some examples of position words and let me tell you how to use them. Now students, look here. This is a basket and these are some fruits. Now I am changing the position of these fruits. I am putting these fruits in the basket. Now the question arises for you, where are the fruits? Now you tell me, where are the fruits? Question arises where. You have to give me the answer of where. Where are the fruits? And the answer is, the fruits are in the basket. Where are the fruits? The fruits are in the basket. So, in is the position words of these fruits. So students, now you can understand the use of in. Now come to the next example. Students, this is our next example. This is a box and this is a soft toy. Now I am changing the position of this soft toy. Now the question arises, where? Where is the toy? Now tell me students, where is the toy? The toy is on the box. The toy is on the box. So on is the position word. On is the position word. Now come to the next example for under. Look students, this is a small book. I am changing the position of this book. I am putting it under the box. Now students, tell me, where is the book? Where is the book? Yes, the book is under the box. The book is under the box. And where is the toy? The toy is on the box. And the book is under the box. U-N-D-E-R, under. This is the position word for this book. Now students, I hope you have understand very well the concept of in, on and under. Now students, let us do the exercise in our English practice book, page number 4, 5 and 6. That is about in, on and under. Let's start.
This is your page number 4 in English practice book. See the picture and encircle the right word. The first one is done for you. Look at this picture. There is a cup in the box. The cup is in or on the box. Which is the right answer? Yes, in. The cup is in the box. We will circle the word in. Next is, look at this picture. The man is in or under the tree. Where is the man? The man is under the tree. Under means नीचे. और man कहाँ है? Tree के नीचे. So we will circle the word under. Next is, the dog is on or in the cot. Where is the dog? The dog is on the cot. Cot means चारपाई और dog कहाँ है? on the cot यानी कि चारपाई के ऊपर. So we will circle the word on. Next is the man is under or in the car. Where is the man? The man is in the car. We will circle the word in. And the last is the cat is on or in the chair. Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. So we will circle the word under. Now come on the next page, page number 5. The ball is under or on the mat. Yes, the ball is on the mat. Mat के ऊपर है. So we will circle the word on. Next is the jug is in or under the table. The jug is on the table. In the same way, the cap is on or in the bag. Yes, on. The cat is under or in the tub. In. The cat is in the tub. Next is the rat is on or under the table. The rat is under the table. Table के नीचे है. Now come on the next page, page number 6. Look at the pictures carefully and put a tick in front of the right sentences. आपको पिक्चर्स को देखना है और जो सेंटेंसेस राइट हैं उनके आगे आप टिक करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज द कप इज अंडर द टेबल. इज दिस राइट सेंटेंस? नो, द कप इज ऑन द टेबल. सो वी विल क्रॉस हियर. नेक्स्ट इज द रैट इज अंडर द मैट. इज द रैट अंडर द मैट? नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. The ball is on the chair? No, the ball is under the chair. The bird is in the basket? Yes, the bird is in the nest. The fish is in the water? Yes, fish is in the water. The boy is on the tree? No, the boy is under the tree. We will cross here. The water is on the jug? No, the water is in the jug. The vase is on the box. Yes, the vase is on the box. So students, in the same way you have to do the pages, page number 4, 5 and 6 in your practice book, English practice book. Thank you and have a nice day.